So welcome to Home Ed Looks Like This. I'm Liz, I'm mum of 4 and I've been home educating for several years. So today I'm just going to do a bit of a day in the life video with you. The children are downstairs having breakfast and I'm just about to get ready and I need another coffee.
Hey guys, today we just learned about owls.
Do it again.
All about owls.
Well done, Princess. So what are baby owls called?
Owlets.
Well, yeah, so we've got camouflage here, mammals, and then owlets. So owlets is the bottom one. So do you want to fill that dot in? Well done. You're a clever girl. This is basically just how I incorporate worksheets with Nimue. I ask her the questions after reading the comprehension with her, and she can then fill in the answers herself. This is another Twinkl resource and it's called Label the Owl. And what we've got to do is cut out our labels on the bottom, and we've got eye, wing, feathers, beak and talons. And then we've got to cut them out and stick them in the right place, haven't you, Nim?
Yes. What's this one?
It begins with a W and it's got an I and G. What do you think it says?
Wing.
Wing, well done. So that's the wing. Well done, clever girl.
Ah. The wrong way.
And we spin it round.
Hey, what?
Yeah, clever girl.
Thank you for the video.
You're doing really well anyway.
The next one is
Feathers. Well done, clever girl anyway. And now we've got to glue them on quickly. Well done. So, feeding the owlet sharing sheet. Can you share the mice equally between the owlets? Write the number of mice in each circle. So on the first one, we've got 2 owlets waiting for food, haven't we? Yeah? Yeah? How many mice do we have up here? Nim?
we have. Can I count?
Yeah?
The mice?
Yes?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, so if you were to split them between owlet 1 and owlet 2, how many mice would you give each of them?
1, 2 for one, and then the other 2 for the other.
Well done, Nimue. So you need to write a 2 in here and a 2 in there. Clever girl.
Why are we not cutting them out?
It's okay. We know you're meant to do a 3. It's fine. It's an easy mistake to make. Are you trying to fix them now? Well, clever girl.
No, I didn't play. Today we're going to be dissecting owl pellets.
So here we have a chart from the Barn Owl Trust, and this shows what they look like at different stages. So the first one's fresh, then we've got 1 month, 8 months, 15 months, 21 months, 30, 8 years, and then 16 years. So Nimue, looking at your owl pellet, which one do you think it matches?
I think it matches that one.
So you think yours is around 1 month old?
Yeah.
Okay. Anthony, what about you?
A year.
You think yours is around a year? No, I think Nimue was quite right, to be honest with you.
I'm talking about that one.
Yeah. Okay. So you think it's around a year?
I reckon there's going to be a rat bone in it.
Okay. You never know.
It's safe and kind of like a baby man.
What do you think you'll find in yours, Nimue?
I think I'll find a rabbit bone.
Do you? These are the types of pellets you can get from different birds of prey and wild birds, okay? So we've got tawny owl, kestrel, barn owl, little owl, and a jackdaw. And these sheets are from the Barn Owl Trust. So anyone can download them. So Auntie and Nim, which one, get together, I want you to discuss which bird of prey you think our pellets are from. You think it's a barn owl? What do you think, Nim?
I think it's that.
Yeah, you think barn owl too. Okay, great. I think ours are a good match for barn owl as well. We can dissect pellets dry or wet. So should we stick one of our pellets in this bowl of water and we'll try dissecting one wet and one dry. So put one over here now.
I'm scared. How's Anne doing it?
He's being very gentle. Oh, well done, Ant. Looks like you've got a bone there, doesn't it?
Wait, where?
Hey, put it down. See?
Yeah, that's the bone.
What do you think it is? Let's have a look at our chart. Oh, you're dropping fair there, Nim. Let's have a look at our chart.
It's sharp.
Is it? Oh, yeah, it is.
It's sharp.
So have a look at our chart and see what you think it is on here. What do you think it matches?
That. It matches that.
Do you think so?
Yeah. See?
Oh, I don't know.
No, it does. See those? It matches that. Well,
We'll put it where you think it matches.
Wait, I've got the skull.
Oh, let's see. Be gentle.
Hard to try and see it.
Yeah, it's hard to pull that out, but you have to be gentle.
That's a claw, that's a
Slowly,
claw.
slowly.
Oh, I already found a bone. Oh, I found a skull in this one.
Be gentle then.
And look, I found a skull. That's a head. Oh, I already found a bone. That's a foot. I'm good at finding these.
You are good at finding these.
Hey. Oh, I just found a little claw piece. See that yellow bit? That's the claw.
Oh, right. You have to keep going and we'll have a little look at the end and work them all out. And you're busy here, aren't you?
Oh, I see another claw.
You're finding all sorts, yeah?
Oh, I think I just accidentally took out a bone. Oh yeah, I found one. That's a bone. I found a bone in mine.
So the reason we're getting lots of bones and fur is because barn owls are unable to digest them parts of their prey.
Can I get that?
And as they swallow their prey whole, they then have to accumulate it, build it up and spit it all back out, all the bits they can't break down and digest. Called regurgitation.
Oh, I think there's a bone in here.
And we call them owl pellets.
Oh, but what I did find is skin.
So it takes them about 6 hours.
Skin of an owl.
It takes about 6 hours after feeding for an owl to produce their pellets.
Can I get that one out?
In a minute, finish doing them ones first, Angel.
Oh, I just found
So barn owl pellets are typically about the size of a man's thumb when fresh. And they often contain the remains of 4 or 5 small mammals. And pellet dissection can tell you exactly what an owl has eaten.
This is disgusting. Wait, will we find food in here?
Well, these are like bits of what the owls ate, isn't it?
Wait, they ate themselves?
No, they ate these and then spat it all back out. It'll be bits of rodents and stuff that they've eaten for food.
Rats and mice. Oh, those are what the claws are for. I think I just broke a bone.
It's okay. Just be gentle. Go slow.
Because I heard it.
So, as I said earlier, we can analyse them wet or dry. It's easier to do dry pellets, but wet ones soaking in water can allow you to get some of the smaller bones out intact eventually.
Oh. Mum. I just broke it in half again.
Be gentle, cautious.
Please
With these, dissecting owl pellets actually allows us to work out what our local owls are eating.
Those claws are hard. Ah!
And these were actually found in the local woods.
But you got these from a woman?
Yeah, we found a lady on a stall selling them, a taxidermy stall, and she had them, so I thought, oh well, that'll be quite an easy way of doing it other than going hunting myself. So I was lazy in that respect. What's that new way?
It's a mouse's skull.
Wow. Wait, hold still.
Do you want to see the tooth?
Oh wow.
Do you want to see the tooth and teeth?
Yeah.
Those yellow bits of the tooth and teeth.
Oh wow, that's a really good one.
I have the lower jaw here, as you can see the little serrated teeth.
Yeah. Oh wow.
That's the top and bottom jaw together, so they part.
Let's see.
Okay. Let's open this.
Say that again.
I got the same skull again. I got two skulls.
You got a skull too?
I got two.
Oh wow.
I got two.
That's awesome.
Are you enjoying it, Nim?
Yeah. Oh, I found another skull. See, is it them? Oh wait, I got two of these skulls. I got two of them. What's this? What is that?
Just be very careful because that's a skull. It's actually still got the lower jaw attached on both sides.
Oh wow.
I think I got one of
But it
them.
is separated into
And now separated. Let's see what I got in there.
This is the wet one now, isn't it? Oh wow.
See, it's still got the
Hold
jaws
it
attached
still.
to it.
Wow, that's awesome.
This is a back.
You see the teeth?
Look, there too.
Put it on the chart and we'll work it out in a minute.
See those yellow bits? That's right.
Yeah.
I got another rat head. It's like that bone. Is that the wet one? Oh my, you're working to the wet bones.
Yes. Oh, is that one good? This one here is a
I'm doing
tiny,
it over
tiny
there, is that okay?
vertebrae.
Just in case
There's
it
the
falls out.
spine bone. So the children have since organised the bones where they felt they should go. Well, we did get a really good haul out of those 3 owl pellets. Load of bones, full jaws, vertebrae, and lot of fur. So no my free time, which is choosing to draw on the drawing board, the chalkboard even. I'm just making lunch for them. So we finished our dissection. I've cleaned everywhere up, sterilised everything, sterilised the children. And yeah, so it's free time now. Anthony's gone upstairs for a bit while he waits for his lunch to be ready. So the children have had the dinner and are now going upstairs to finish off some of the work from earlier, whilst I have an interview with a university I'm hoping to go to because I'm wanting to do my BSc in herbal medicine. So yes, that's our plan for now, and then after that we will be getting on with the rest of our afternoon. So it's 2:40 and I've just finished my interview. So yeah, we're just going to crack on with the rest of our day now. Nimway has her acro at 4:30, so we'll be doing some more work between now and then. Where you going?
Acro.
You're off to acro?
Yeah. Yeah.